Guys, in this video I want to show you how to do split screen in Samsung devices. Just open the tabs which you need to do in split screen. Recent two tabs will be used in split screen. Just tap on the icon of your application you got open in split screen view, and when you click on it, the app will be shown on split screen. Now click on the next application so that both will be in split screen mode, and every application will be working. And the thing is, you can increase the ratio if you want one side got higher ratio and the other side got lower ratio. So just drag and drop and use this in that way. Thanks for watching.